If you work with PDFs every day, you know how quickly small tasks slow you down. Scrolling, searching, switching tools, it's not hard, just inefficient. And that inefficiency adds up fast. In fact, we've seen tasks completed up to 80% faster using Foxit AI Assistant compared to doing them manually. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Everything I need is built directly into the AI Assistant tab. I'll start in AI Chat. Here, I can see available credits and manage my session. I can clear chat history, start a temporary session that isn't saved, or take a quick tour of available features. I can access more tools, change output language, and even enable web search when needed. AI Assistant helps me break down and analyze this agreement quickly. With the agreement open, I'll generate a summary. I instantly get an executive overview with linked sources. I can ask follow-up questions to explore specific risks. Now I'll compare it with a revised proposal. I'll type my prompt. The assistant highlights differences in uptime, liability, and termination terms. If I only need one section summarized, I can target it directly. For complex legal language, I use define and clarify. It breaks down the meaning instantly and adds it directly into the document as a comment. And I can also inspect a document for hidden risks before trusting it. I'll access the PDF Action Inspector from the AI Assistant More Tools menu. It scans for risky JavaScript actions and self-modifying behavior. It's like an antivirus scan, but designed specifically for PDFs. Here, I get a breakdown of what the document is doing behind the scenes. This is especially important when working with documents from external or untrusted sources. For example, this document changes its content after signing, something you wouldn't normally see. With PDF Action Inspector, I can detect the behavior before taking action. I can translate and refine content without leaving the document. Let's open a data protection addendum in another language. I'll summarize it first. If I need a single paragraph translated, I highlight it and choose Translate Text. For a full translation, I click Translate Document. Now, let's refine internal communication. Selecting text brings up the AI toolbar instantly. I'll adjust the tone and replace the text. And I can fix spelling and grammar just as quickly. I can also automate document tasks using simple prompts. Back in the agreement, I'll add a header across all pages. It's applied instantly. I can reorder pages just as easily. And generate bookmarks in one click. I can generate and extract visual content directly inside this document. Inside this brochure layout, I'll create a custom illustration. I'll enter my prompt, choose Illustration Style, set the aspect ratio, and generate. I'll insert one into the layout. There's an existing image. I can refine it with AI. and extract structured data from images. Or upload multiple images for batch extraction. Sometimes I'm too busy to sit and read through a long document, so I'd rather just listen to it. I can choose a summary, full text, or smart podcast. Smart Podcast gives me a conversational overview instantly.
Today's topic is a cloud hosting and managed infrastructure services agreement between Creative Corp. Incorporated as the customer.
Foxit AI Assistant supports MCP, Model Context Protocol, connecting your PDF to the tools you already use. I can create Jira issues or send emails directly from this document. That means fewer clicks, no app switching, and actions triggered exactly where the work happens. From understanding documents to improving content and automating tasks, everything happens in one place, inside the PDF. Understand faster, improve content, automate your PDFs. To explore everything AI Assistant can do, visit foxit.com/AI.